Hey everyone, David Twyble here. Today we're going to check the oil level on these King Air C90 PT6 engines. So to check these, we need to go to the right side of the engine. The oil cap is on the left side, but to open the cowling, we have to open it from the right side. So these are kind of tricky. You push where it says push, get your finger underneath the latch, pop the latch down, try not to let it bite you. Then push the cowling up and over, and it'll rest open like this. And in high wind situations, we have these fold up clips that we can then maneuver the cowling into. There's a hole in the front of the cowling cover here that we can put over this pin, and that will hold the cowling in high winds. We don't need to do that today, so we'll stow those. Now the oil cap, like I said, is on the left side of the engine. So you're either going to have to be fairly tall or you're going to have to get a step ladder. And you come up in here, reach up and over, push the cap up, rotate it, finagle the stick out, give it a shake, not drip too much oil, and then read the level down from full. So these dipsticks are calibrated down from full instead of up from empty, and that's because this engine holds a lot more oil than this stick will show. So this stick is showing 2 quarts low, which is acceptable. And drop the stick back in place, gently drop it in, rotate the cap, then secure the cap. Check it to make sure it's in fact secure. I know it's hard to see, sorry. And then we can go back around and close up the cowling. So when we do that, we want to make sure to very carefully drop the cowling cover back into the groove that it came from. So you can see here where it's been scratched before. So we want to make sure that we keep the edge inside on this rail right here. And then we can gently drop the cowling into place. And then we want to make sure that both of these latches are fully extended before we drop it in place. And then we push the cowling latches closed, make sure that they engage. And we've checked the oil level on one of our 2 engines. So that's how to check the oil level on a King Air C90 with PT6 engines. So until next time, fly safe.